Hello, dear travelers. In this video, I will tell you in brief what to expect from the Roman festival in Tongeren. For very first time this year, the oldest town in Belgium transforms into a vibrant Roman settlement, and you're invited to be part of the story. On August 30th and 31st, the area around the Gallo-Romeins Museum bursts into life with the sights, sounds, and flavors of ancient Rome. Walk among legionnaires and gladiators. Feel the ground shake as Roman soldiers march through the streets in full armor. Watch dramatic gladiator battles unfold before your eyes. No CGI, just raw energy and roaring crowds. Get hands on with history. Try your hand at ancient crafts like pottery, leatherwork, and weaving. Kids and adults alike can join workshops and discover how Romans lived, worked, and played. Taste the past. Sample Roman inspired food and drinks, from honeyed wine to rustic bread baked the old fashioned way. Local vendors recreate recipes that date back centuries, giving you a literal taste of history. Entertainment for all ages. Street performers, storytellers, and musicians bring Roman culture to life with flair and humor. Whether you're a history buff or just looking for a fun day out, there's something for everyone. Explore the Gallo-Roman Museum. Don't miss the chance to visit one of Europe's finest archaeological museums. Its exhibits offer a deeper look into the lives of the people who once called this region home. Why it's special. This isn't just a reenactment, it's a celebration of heritage, community, and imagination. Tongeren's Roman festival is where history meets heart, and every visitor becomes part of the legend.
Perfecto.